These have been some challenging and difficult times for all of us. That is why our dental team wants to bring a smile back into your world. We are offering $1,000 off Invisalign to all essential workers, which is as low as $99 a month. If you want to improve your smile, have more confidence, and show the world that you can still smile and succeed in these difficult times, consider getting a new smile with Invisalign. Invisalign is the modern way to get a perfect smile. If you are a first responder, firefighter, a nurse, a teacher, a UPS driver, or a grocery worker, all essential workers get the most substantial discount we have ever offered on Invisalign. This is our way of giving back to our community for what you have done for all of us. We are all in this together, and this is our way of saying thank you and that we appreciate you. Please send us a message or give us a call today to schedule a free consultation, and we will show you what your new smile can look like.
Hillsborough Dental Excellence, where everyone leaves with a smile.